I want to talk about video chapters and my experience. These are in the video like the chapters in a card. With TubeBuddy, this becomes even easier. Without TubeBuddy, when you get to the details, when uploading, write the chapters like this 0000 intro as an example, and so on. With TubeBuddy, under details, you have add chapters. Click, and in the top left is the video, and we have an additional playback head and a dedicated timeline. We click on plus and add a chapter. Example 005 529. Add chapter, and you can add must 1. At least 3 chapters. 2. There must be at least 10 seconds of distance between them. The chapter is like a video title. Then we save, and that's it. It's not good. Part number 1, part number 2, etc. Then at the bottom right, you have 2 options. 1. Copy to clipboard. 2. Add to video. Then save. This is how the viewer's experience is improved. I wish you success. Don't forget to subscribe if you want. Vasile.